Have you ever noticed over time that even though nothing has changed in your life, that you feel anxious, detached, and less loved? Do you often feel alone or sad, even though your family and friends are still around? Is life good, but you just don't feel good? Hey YouTube family, Dr. Max Greenlee here. This problem is not super uncommon, and it doesn't always mean that you're depressed. Before I tell you about the supplement that may be a fix, let me give you a quick science lesson so you can understand what's going on. So we all know that our brain talks to our body like a good manager and basically runs the show. It does this by using neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, and norepinephrine, plus many others. These neurotransmitters, along with hormones like oxytocin, affect our mood and how we feel. But one of the things that many don't know is that our gut, via the enteric nervous system, also talks back to our brain. For example, about 90% of your serotonin, the neurotransmitter targeted by many antidepressants, is produced by bacteria in your gut. These bacteria are also responsible for some of the production of the hormone oxytocin, known as the love hormone. So that brings us to the supplement that shows promise demonstrated by modern science to increase oxytocin production. Research has shown that probiotic Lactobacillus reuteri significantly increases the love hormone oxytocin's level in the brain through vagus nerve stimulation. Lactobacillus reuteri is usually found in the human gut. However, not all humans have it, and some people simply have very low levels of it. And you could even wipe it out after a course of antibiotics or diet changes. This is why you may need to supplement with Lactobacillus reuteri probiotics to induce and maintain high levels, especially if you want to produce more oxytocin to stimulate the warm, fuzzy feeling of being loved. Hell, one study even found that the absence of Lactobacillus reuteri caused social defects in animals, and when it was added back to the gut of these animals, the researchers were able to reverse some of the behavioral deficits caused by its absence. By no means is Lactobacillus reuteri a cure-all, and if you're suffering from severe depression, you should reach out to your healthcare provider for help. However, the research is promising, taking only 1 billion colony-forming units per day, and this probiotic supplement is relatively inexpensive. If that's not enough, in trials it has also shown promise to decrease anxiety, inflammation, promote wound healing, increase metabolism, and musculoskeletal maintenance. There's a link to the supplement below to make it a little easier to find, but if you have a different place you prefer to get your supplements, just make sure that it provides 1 billion colony-forming units of Lactobacillus reuteri per day, and give it at least 2 weeks of daily supplementation to see how you feel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button. I put out new videos each and every week to help all of us stay in the best health possible. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay curious, and as always, have a beautiful day.